A very simple but healthy breakfast. And if you want to get a try, then it is very easy to prepare. This breakfast is very high in protein. It keeps you feeling full longer, supports muscle growth, and aids weight management. Plain Greek yogurt is packed with protein, probiotics, calcium, and other nutrients, making it great for muscle, gut, and bone health, aiding weight management by keeping you full, supporting immunity, and potentially lowering blood pressure due to less sugar and carbs than regular yogurt. Use it as a base for smoothies, dips, or sauces. Add to oatmeal, parfaits, or savory dishes. Top with fruits, nuts, or seeds for added flavor and nutrients.